Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To pull this center console trim down, it has some pop clips along the edge and some tabs that are sticking into the front of the headliner up here. We can use our plastic trim tool. You can get this from 1aauto.com. Put a little bit of tape over it just to help protect the headliner. You're going to want a wedge under here, and then you're going to try to pry it down. It's going to take some force, so once you get your fingers under here, you can really pull it down. Usually a good fast tug on it should break it free. And then there's a couple right about here. And now we have all the connectors up top. We need to undo. Use a flat bladed screwdriver. I'm going to start with the one at the front for the lights. And if I can't push it with my fingers, I'll use the screwdriver to push it down. There we go, I got it with my finger. So now I have a little more clearance as that drops down. So this clear plastic has a connector in it, but it's actually easier to just pop it out of the trim and just kind of pry up in the gray part here, and then pry on the other side a little bit, and we'll just pop this right out and leave it like that. To remove the connector for the rear sliding window switch, you're basically just going to pull on it pretty hard. I'm going to hold onto the switch and then grab onto the red part and give it a good pull. And now we need to disconnect the buttons for the garage door opener. So I'm going to go over here by the connector and pull on that. There's a little tab right here. Push that in, pull it right out. To remove the rear sliding window switch and the bezel from this trim piece in the overhead console, you can just push the two tabs in, and you can pop the bezel right out, and then squeeze these two tabs here, and push with your other finger the switch right out of it. You get to the switch, and it'll just clip right back into place. And then you can clip this in. You can also just remove the switch in the same way and clip it right back in. I'll reinstall the overhead console. Plug this connector back into the garage door switch. It'll kind of click when it locks in place. You'll start to lose how far down you can pull this as you plug stuff in. Start at the front, work towards the back. Reinstall the connector for the rear window switch. It is keyed, it will only go in one way. Takes some bit of force to put it in. I'll clip this clear light back in here. Clips into the gray plastic. And then finally, don't forget to plug your overhead lights back in. That harness is way up here, so we're gonna lift it up. Clip it in place. Line this up. And push it right back into the push clips. Make sure it's all snapped into place. And it's reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.